come do a quick fill with me, y'all. As you can see, this set is about a month and a half old, and yeah, I have 3 important factors that I'm going to demonstrate. Number 1, always direct the finger down so that the acrylic does not flood the cuticle, and that's with any acrylic application. Number 2, always remove any lifted acrylic because it's going to ensure long-lasting nails. And as you can see, she had little to none because I'm usually tight around the cuticle. And number 3, very important, you will need more than 1 bead to fill a nail that is long overdue. So you will have to fill the whole nail. That way it is supported, and rebalancing and reconstructing is the number 1 thing when it comes to filling. All right, y'all. And I think that's all I have. And this will be the final look. And if you would like more, let me know. Hit me up, comment. Thank you. Bye.